Shandong Mingtian Machinery Group Joint Stock Company Limited was established in 2007 and has been deeply involved in the industry of roots blower, roots vacuum pump, roots steam compressor and magnetic bearing turbo blower for 17 years. Our production process with well-equipped facilities, an all-round quality control process, an inspection and test plan, and our products are guaranteed by standard certificates of ISO 9001 and CE for overseas sales. Adhering to the guideline of specialty builds quality, honesty creates future. Shandong Mingtian Machinery Group establishes perfect system of pre-sale and after-sale service and forms blower product series including roots blower, roots vacuum pump, high negative pressure roots vacuum pump, double-stage high-pressure blower, roots steam compressor, and SC magnetic turbo blower. The product has a flow range of 0.6 to 1,300 cubic meter per minute, a pressure range of 98 kPa to 198 kPa. The blowers and vacuum pumps are widely used in the industries such as pneumatic conveying, wastewater treatment, aquaculture, chemical, petroleum, metallurgy, electric power, food vacuum package, etc. Our business area includes United States, Russia, Canada, Brazil, Mexico, Spain, Portugal, South Asia, Southeast Asia, Middle East, Latin America, South America, Africa, etc. We adheres to people-oriented, pioneering and enterprising, and establishes a modern enterprise with a technologically advanced, scientific management system and prosperous business. The company will make continuous efforts to provide domestic and foreign customers with satisfactory products, timely and thoughtful services.